Hey, I'm Mitchell. Welcome to another video in the RSP Education series. Behind every moving part, every reading, every automated decision, there's a sensor that's quietly doing its job. But even the smartest sensor has a lifespan, and knowing how to manage that life cycle could be the key to avoiding downtime and extending performance. In this video, we're going to explore the critical role of sensor maintenance, the rise of predictive diagnostics, and the future trends that are reshaping industrial sensing, from smart chips to cloud integration and cybersecurity. Whether you're maintaining legacy systems or deploying the latest industrial Internet of Things devices, this is knowledge every industrial professional should have. If you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's get right into it. So every sensor has a life cycle. Look for MTBF. That's mean time between failures. Higher mean time between failures means fewer surprises and lower replacement costs. Many smart sensors now offer predictive maintenance also. They track usage, temperature, and more, letting you know when it's time for service. And don't forget the basics: cleaning, recalibration, and checking for wear or signal drift. A well-maintained sensor is a reliable one. Sensors are getting smarter, literally. Today's sensors, they often include microcontrollers, tiny processors that handle data processing right at the sensor source. They can run self-diagnostics, detect drift, and even auto-calibrate. Some are now even using AI to adapt sensitivity and optimize performance based on system behavior. The Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, is transforming how we use sensor data. Sensors now send data to the cloud for long-term storage or trend analysis and monitoring from anywhere. With predictive analytics, you can now see problems coming before they even happen. And with remote diagnostics, your techs can troubleshoot sensors without ever even stepping onto the plant floor. More connectivity does mean more risk, though. That's why cybersecurity is now a core part of sensor design. Sensor data should be encrypted, especially if it's traveling across public or wireless networks. Always use secure gateways, keep firmware up to date, and protect devices from unauthorized access. A single vulnerable sensor can expose an entire network. Sensors, they're the nerve endings of industrial automation. From a simple switch to a smart self-tuning device, they detect the physical world and bring it into the digital realm. Understanding how they communicate, how they're conditioned, how to choose the right one, and where the industry is going, this kind of knowledge is what sets you apart. So whether you're integrating a temperature transmitter or optimizing a pressure loop or fusing machine vision into a robotic cell, you're building smarter, more reliable systems. From lifecycle planning to predictive analytics, smart sensors are helping us stay ahead of failures and reduce costly downtime. But it's not just about the tech. It's about knowing how to maintain, adapt, and evolve with it. As sensors become more intelligent and connected, your understanding becomes even more valuable. Stay ahead of the curve, because smarter systems start with smarter decisions. For a full line of sensors and hundreds of thousands of other industrial automation components, please go to our website. That's rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.